Right, I've filed down most of the casting lines now. A good couple of hours worth of hand filing. But it's all nice and smooth. I'm just waiting for some paint to come that I've ordered off Amazon, so I'm hoping that'll come today. Whether to do this blue or green, so I end up getting both. I think I'm going to do it blue. Day after, it's been I did it about 14 hours ago, so it's had plenty of time to dry. Quick drying radiator paint, gloss to pick out the letters with. The other little obstacle I've got is I ain't got a little paintbrush. I want to pick these letters out. So I'm going to try painting it with a nail. What could possibly go wrong? That could go wrong. That wipes off easy though. Well, at least I know if it goes wrong, it wipes off. Too much on that. Yeah, I'm thinking I can tighten this up, this piece of wood, and press that cap back on there. Simple. Simples. Anyway, that's it all finished. I think it looks alright. So I didn't use any special tools. I just used my bench grinder with that wire brush on it, hand file, bit of sandpaper, and then my Dremel. I think this is probably worth almost as much as I paid for it now. I think I bought it at a car boot sale for, I don't know, might have been a couple of quid or something. I've probably had it years. But yeah, it looks alright now. Not that I'm ever going to use it, it's going to go back in its resting place.